Are in the concluding paragraph section of the Voices of the People essay. So at this point, you've completed your research using your book or books for the introductory paragraph. You've used online resources to find firsthand accounts of individuals' experiences, and now you're ready to wrap everything up with your conclusion. So the first thing you're going to do is restate your thesis. So this is going to be the words of your thesis just rearranged, and you're going to use some synonyms as well in your thesis restate. So this is not just copying directly from your first graphic organizer. Again, you're rewording your thesis statement. Next, you're going to provide a summary. So again, you're going to summarize the evidence from your three body paragraphs. So you're going to provide a one-line sentence here. So one sentence that summarizes each person's story as it relates to your thesis. Now, the last thing here is your concluding statement. There are a few different words for this. Some examples that you may have heard in the past are the so what, the big idea, the gift, or the clincher. Clincher happens to be my personal favorite because that is another synonym for a tire on a bicycle. But in this section here, you're leaving your reader with a thought or a connection about the Holocaust. So this connection really depends on your topic and your own life experiences. If you want to tie it into something that's happening kind of in the more present day, you may do that. Or if you just want to, just provide like a general thought or a general statement about how, despite all of the negative atrocities that occurred in the Holocaust, there was still a lot of good and a lot of positive stories that came about as a result. So again, your concluding statement is a final kind of call to arms, if you will, regarding your Voices of the People essay. So that's it for the writing piece. We're going to talk a little bit about the Modern Language Association, or the MLA rules. So this particular document, again, will be located in Canvas, but you want to use the MLA template that you've set up earlier in ELA class, and just double check that you have these 6 items here set up appropriately. So as we scroll down through here again, this is an example of how everything should be set up um, with your MLA heading. Next, we'll have our works cited list. Again, with your works cited list, you should have at least 4 sources, your 3 body paragraphs, and then your book. You may have more, again, depending on how your research process went. So again, these need to be in alphabetical order. So again, you're listing all of the sources that you have used in your essay. Now, there's a link here for the Purdue English OWL website that will contain some additional resources if you had kind of some more complex sources that weren't discussed in class. So again, this is all the information that you need for your concluding paragraph.